Today, we will make potato salad with gherkins and crunchy onion. You will need potatoes, carrots, a parsnip, peas, an onion, gherkins, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, eggs, salt and pepper. Peel 2 carrots. Cut the carrots into 1 centimeter cubes. Peel 1 parsnip. Cut the parsnip into small pieces as well. Boil the carrot and parsnip pieces for about 20 minutes. Then, add 150 grams of peas and boil for a few more minutes. Once the vegetables are cooked, let them cool off and keep them chilled. Boil half a kilo of salad potatoes and let the potatoes cool off completely. Hard-boil 2 eggs. Put 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard into a bowl. Add 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Open a gherkin jar and add a dash of the liquid into the bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground pepper. Chop 4 gherkins finely and add them into the bowl. Peel a small onion and dice it finely. Add the chopped onion into the bowl. Peel the boiled potatoes and cut them into 1 centimeter cubes. Dice the eggs as well. Add everything to the bowl, the vegetables, the potatoes, and the eggs. Stir the salad. You could taste the salad and add more salt or pepper if needed. Serve the salad chilled. The salad can be served with meat, and goes particularly well with breaded meat or breaded fish.